Welcome to Seville, the vibrant heart of Andalusia, Spain. Known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and lively culture, Seville is a city that promises an unforgettable experience. Join us as we explore the top things to do in Seville. Number 10. Seville Cathedral, constructed on the site of a grand Almohad mosque. Seville's medieval cathedral was designed to showcase the city's power and wealth following the Reconquista. Upon its completion in the 16th century, it surpassed the Hagia Sophia to become the largest cathedral in the world. It remains the third largest church in Europe and the largest by volume. This colossal Gothic structure boasts an altarpiece depicting the life of Jesus, featuring over 1,000 figures, adorned in gold leaf. The cathedral's artistic treasures include Pedro de Campana's Descent from the Cross, Francisco de Zurbarán's Santa Teresa, and Bartolomé Esteban Murillo's masterpiece, La Inmaculada. Within the transept lies the tomb of Christopher Columbus. Number 9. La Giralda. The Giralda is the sole surviving structure of the 12th century mosque that was demolished to build the Seville Cathedral. The Moors constructed the minaret with a series of ramps, allowing guards to ride to the top on horseback. Today, these 35 ramps make it easy for visitors to reach the summit and enjoy panoramic views of the city. The bell tower is topped with a bronze weather vane called El Giraldillo, symbolizing the triumph of faith. The entrance to the tower can be found in the cathedral's northeastern corner. Number 8. Real Alcázar, still used by Spain's royal family for state occasions. The Alcázar complex of royal palaces, patios, and gardens has undergone numerous transformations over its 1,000-year history. In the 11th century, Muslim Moors built a palace on the site of a 10th century fort, which was later converted into a Gothic-style structure in the 13th century. A century later, King Pedro employed Moorish craftsmen to rebuild and expand the palace in the Mudéjar style. From the starry design of the domed ceiling in the Salón de Embajadores, Ambassadors' Hall, to the intricate arches and plasterwork of the Patio de las Doncellas, Patio of Maidens. The Palacio de Don Pedro is one of Seville's top tourist attractions. Number 7. Plaza de España. If there is one place you must visit in Seville, it is the Plaza de España, found at the Parque de Maria Luisa. The magnificent square perfectly embodies the grandeur and beauty of the city. Built for the Ibero-American Exposition of 1929, it features a marvelous combination of Renaissance and Moorish influences. The plaza has a semicircular design and comprises colorful ceramic tiles, ornate Venetian-inspired bridges, canals, and a centerpiece fountain. Visitors can explore the plaza's expansive walkways, each representing a different Spanish province, and admire the intricate ceramic work depicting historical scenes and landmarks. A popular gathering place for locals, it is a lovely destination for an afternoon stroll, a romantic boat ride down the canal, or a horse-drawn carriage ride through the square. Number 6. Casa de Pilatos, situated next to the Plaza de Pilatos. The Casa de Pilatos is regarded as a prime example of an Andalusian palace. Designed by Genoese architect Antonio Maria Aprile in 1529, the Pilates house was named after the original owner's son, Fadric Enriquez de Rivera, who went on a pilgrimage to Jerusalem in 1519. Although the Medinaceli family privately owns the building, it is open to the public for guided tours throughout much of the year. Highlights include a series of bullfight paintings by Francisco Goya, a 16th century marble gate, and a grand staircase adorned with a Mudéjar-style honeycomb ceiling. Number 5. Metropole Parasol, Situated at La Encarnacion Square in Seville's Old City district, the newly completed Metropole Parasol is touted as the largest wooden structure in the world. Designed by German architect Jürgen Meyer-Hermann, it features 6 massive umbrella-shaped structures made of birchwood, imported from Finland. Nicknamed Las Setas de la Encarnacion, or Incarnacion's mushrooms, the modern design has generated nearly as much controversy as its hefty price tag. Delays and changes in construction methods doubled the initial estimated cost of 50 million euros. The structure houses a marketplace, an antiquarium, a restaurant, and an open-air plaza. Number 4. Tor Del Oro. No structure in Seville better illustrates the significance of the Guadalquivir River during Spain's colonial period than Tor del Oro, or the Golden Tower. Seville's success in maritime trade was largely due to the navigable river, which provided ships with greater protection than a typical European port. For centuries, a heavy chain was stretched across the river from the tower to guard the city against seafaring invaders. Built in the early 1200s, the watchtower gets its name from the golden glow cast on the river by its building materials. Today, the tower houses a maritime museum that highlights the river's importance throughout Seville's history. Visitors can also enjoy views of the waterway in the city from a rooftop viewing platform. Number 3. Bario de Triana. While there is plenty to see and do in Seville's main town center, be sure to take some time to cross the Guadalquivir River. On the river's west bank, you'll find the vibrant and historic Bario de Triana neighborhood. This district is famous for its unique character, highlighted by brightly colored houses. As you stroll through its charming streets, you can admire the architecture up close, explore traditional ceramic workshops, visit lively markets, and enjoy bustling tapas bars. Triana is also renowned for its strong ties to flamenco dancing, making it an excellent place to catch an authentic performance. The neighborhood is well known for its delicious seafood and vibrant nightlife, offering many fantastic restaurants and bars. Number 2. Italica Ruins. The Italica Ruins are one of Seville's major attractions. To reach them, take a bus from Plaza de Armas. Once there, you'll be at the birthplace of 2 significant Roman emperors, Hadrian and Trajan. Founded in 206 BC, the Roman city is now an archaeological site of great historical importance. It features well-preserved remnants of a grand amphitheater, which was one of the largest in the Roman Empire. As you explore the ruins, you'll encounter impressive mosaics, columns, and the remains of various homes and buildings, offering a glimpse into the daily life of its Roman inhabitants. The site also includes a small museum displaying artifacts and sculptures unearthed during excavations. Number 1. Plaza de Toros de la Maestranza. For those interested in the Spanish tradition of bullfighting, the Plaza de Toros de la Maestranza is a must-visit. As the oldest bull ring in Spain, this 14,000-seat arena, dating back to 1758, hosts bullfights on Sundays from spring to fall. However, you don't need to attend a bullfight to learn about the tradition. The adjacent museum showcases artifacts and information about famous bulls and matadors. Tickets include museum admission and a guided tour of the ring.